So hello fellow coin collectors, this is Glenn, and in today's video, well, got some new lots that pretty much came all yesterday. So yesterday was delivery day. So what do we have here? So we have, should put them all together. We have Egyptian coins over here. Oh, we've got some Lebanese, Egyptian, more Lebanese, East Africa, Lebanese, Luxembourg, the Gambia. I like the Gambian coins, and Algeria. So when I purchase these, it's usually to, I don't know, get one or two coins out of this lot, or for a better coin in my collection. So let's have a look at each of these coins individually and tell you why I actually purchased it. Okay, so the first coins we're showing you are the coins from Paraguay. So Paraguay has sporadically issued coins since its independence up until the 1975. Since 1975, it's continuously had coins. And these ones were the first issued in 1975. So we've got 1 guarani and 10 guarani. And these would be added to my collection, as I already had the 5, 10 and 50 guaranis, but I needed the 1. The 1 seems to be quite hard to get. These coins are not really that easy to get. They're also pretty expensive. I did see one go in Australia with Triggs for about $1, but these ones are paid about $2 from the UK. So, you know, these were pretty much the cheapest ones that were on the market at the time. So maybe in a year or 2 years' time, another one will come along. Pretty sure it will. But at the time, these are it. So this one has a plant, and at the top, not too sure what plant it is. I need to look it up again. And it's quite a nice, small steel coin. And it has the same guy who is also on the 1 guarani banknote. And this one's 1978. So from 75 to 76, the date was on the other side. Okay, soldier of Paraguay. And nice steel coin. So these ones are no longer in circulation. The lowest coin they have is 50 guaranis. So, and the 10 guaranis, first issue, and it has rail Garay. So that's a nice coin, and none of these have reading. And then we have the coins of Luxembourg. So we have the 10 centimeters and the 5 franc. This is a 1931. This is the only coin I wanted added to this lot. The rest of them I do have. And the 5 franc. So we have the coat of arms, Grand Duchy de Luxembourg, and we have Charlotte, the Dutch of Luxembourg. So 1962, that would have been equivalent to 25 cents, which in today's purchasing value, probably about $3 or $4. So even though it's quite a cheap coin, you would lose your money if you kept it since the 60s. Then we have the 5 franc. These ones are used pretty much up until the changeover to the euro. And then we have the 10 franc. So these are copper nickel coins. This one's nickel, and it was taken out of circulation about 1985. So they removed the 10 franc denomination. But these are all pretty much worth a $1 each for the franc coins. 40 10 centimeters, which had a mintage of, I think it was like 2 million in 1930. And well, when Germany took over in 1939, they got rid of these coins. So this one's probably worth, I don't know, $3 or $4. In uncirculated, you could pick them up for at least $10. And then we have Gambia's pre-decimal coins. So this is a continuation of the is it West African shilling, and I have a penny, and a shilling. And I wanted this coin for the actual shilling because I don't have one. So the only two coins I'm missing from this lot are the threepence and the 4 shilling coin. So this one is a Cycad slow growing planet, and it predates pretty much the dinosaur, so it's an older type of plant. The flowering plants that we see were evolved in the Cretaceous. So these ones evolved pretty much in the Carboniferous and Permian period. Then we have a native boat on the penny, and the other side of the coin just says Queen Elizabeth II. So these are all dated 1966. Mintage for these is only a few million. I think it's like 3.6 million of this. And this 1 penny seems to be better than the penny I've got, so I'm going to swap it out. So the next coins are Algeria, so got 1 and 2 centimeters, and a 10 dinar coin. So these ones are nothing special. It just has the... Is that upside down? Oh, yes, it is. Okay, just has the flag, so the coat of arms of Algeria, which is a crescent and star. And then we have the 10 franc. So this goes with the 20 and the 50 franc I got. And this is my favorite series from Africa. Whatever Africans coins do I like. I like Somalia in 1976. Mauritania, I do like their coins. The Gambia, as I said there, Gambian coins I like. And Botswana. But with a valuation of 100 dinars equals $1 Australian. So we've got 10 cent, 20 cent, 50 cent. That's the equivalent value. And Algeria pretty much now issues all bimetal coins. So you've got the 10 dinar is the lowest bimetal coin, and the 200 dinar is the highest. And then you've got stainless steel in half and a quarter dinar, and you've got 1, 2, and 5 dinar stainless steel coins. But apart from the 5 dinar stainless steel, the other coins haven't been minted since 2017, 41, I think 2012 for the 2, and 2000 for the other ones. So they most likely don't use them. So the smallest coin in circulation is the 5 dinar. And this one has a stainless steel ring and aluminium and magnesium or manganese core. So this is pretty much the only bimetal coin that actually has aluminium in it that I know of. So we have a star, we have the numeral. Up the top it just says Bank of Algeria and the denomination in dinars. And on the back we have an peregrine falcon. So this is dated 92. So that's a nice coin, I like it. And then we got the 20. So this is a stainless steel ring, brass center, and I just like this coin. It's really well designed. And here we have a lion, male lion, and on the 50 we have the same Bank of Algeria, dinars, and oops, dropped it. Here we have a type of deer. So I believe this is from memory copper nickel and an aluminium bronze outside. So I actually purchased this set just for the 10 dinars. I think it costs like $5 for those 3 coins, but Algerian coins are pretty expensive. You'll be paying probably $5 per coin for these ones anyway. So then we got Egyptian coins. For some reason I just like Egyptian coins. So we got 2.5 mils from 1933, 1973 5 mils, 1975 5 mils. This one I can't really date. It's a 5 mils from 1916 or 17. If you look on the date, it's a bit hard. So 35, they're all dated 35 for 16, 17, so it's can't really tell. And yeah, that coin's okay. Then we have the 5 piastres from 1974. And 1984, should I say? Sorry, wrong way. And this one has 2 different coins issued, and it has the 3 pyramids at Giza. So it's a nice coin. Then I have 2 commemorative 10 piastres, so equivalent to 1/10 of a dinner. This one seems to have ghosting, same as that one. So this one's 1979, this one's 1976, and I do like the actual rim of the 1976. Looks quite nice. So just says Egypt up the top, down below it just says piastres and the date in Christian and Muslim calendar. And on the back we have what it commemorates. So this one commemorates the opening of the Suez Canal from the 1973 War with Israel, in which they just pretty much stopped traffic going through the Suez Canal. And we have the sun up the top, so it's a pretty Egyptian-y thing to do. If you look at the ancient Egyptian monuments, a lot of the times they do it sun reflecting down from the top. And we have a ship and a English style building, so it's quite nice. Pretty low mint coin and hard to get in this grade. Then we have one for National Day of Education. So it has Egyptian type design, so like the ancient Egyptian, with teachers educating children. So I like the coins from the 70s and 80s. A lot of them have ancient Egyptian type motifs with Arabic script. So it's actually quite a nice coin. And these ones are pretty hard to get in these grades, so quite happy with that pickup. Then we have the 2 5 mils. So there is a mule in which they have this reverse on the 1973. So if you can get these coins dated 1973, but on the other side has 1975, it's a pretty scarce mule and worth quite a lot of money. So this one represents the International Year of Women and has Nefertiti and Arabic inscription. It looks pretty ancient Egyptian style. And this one just has the coat of arms of the time, which is the eel. And I don't know, usually these are just all 1 year types, so that is nice. And the last one is a 2.5 mils from 1933. So you've got the date here, 1933. And on the back, I think his name's Farouk. This is a copper and nickel coin. Don't confuse it with the silver coin, which only has 6 sides. This one has 8 sides. So quite a nice coin there. And these ones, Egyptian coins, in this grade you're probably paying, I don't know, $10 to $20 per coin, depending on how many were minted. These smaller ones here, probably $1 or $2. But, you know, they're just a nice coin to get. Then we have the current coins in circulation. So with the 25 piastres, 50 piastres, and the 1 dinar. So 25 I quite like, but, you know, it's pretty generic. Just has denomination and the year. The 50 has, on this side, just has the denomination and year. On the back, we have Cleopatra, and we have Tutankhamun's death mask. So definitely continue on with their ancient Egyptian heritage. Then we have East Africa, so we've got the 1 cent. Okay, let's start again. We've got the 1 cent, 5 cent, 10 cent. These started to be issued, I think, 1921 from memory. See, coins are there's just too many coins, you can't remember everything. So we've got the 30s coins here, 23, and I think pretty much these two are low mint, but this one I believe had 50 million, so quite a common coin. But all these, so here's a 42, this one has George VI, this one's in pretty good grade, so what you want to get, I think there's only like 5 million of these. And here we have the 1964. So same design with elephant tusks. On this side with George VI, and this side we just have the denomination. So this is the independence issue. East Africa. Beautiful. And it's 1 shilling equals 100 cents. And this one is in pretty good condition for its age. Yeah, probably very fine, extremely fine, I'd say. I base it on the where on the crown you can see the actual dot in the crown, and you can see the rectangles and the dots, so that's in pretty high grade. And the last coin, beforehand, these ones cost in this grade probably $20-$30, I don't know really, but they're not very cheap. The later ones, you know, in this grade probably about $5. These ones, you know, probably a few dollars each as well. This one had 50 million, so in this grade probably about $1. So yeah, it's a bit corroded. Then the last ones we have are the Lebanese. So we have a cedar on the 10 piastres. Here we have the Phoenician trimeme. Phoenicians occupied the coastal area of Lebanon up until pretty much, probably I think about 5th century AD, which they were assimilated into pretty much Greek culture and then later into Arabic culture. So that's a nice coin, 1931. This one is the lowest mint of the issue with 400,000. So in this condition, you're probably paying $20-$30 for this coin. It's actually quite a nice coin. Here's the trimeme. There's French and Arabic. And on the reverse, upside down, we have Etet du Grand Lebanon. So the state of Grand Lebanon with the Lebanese cedar. Not like the Arabic, you can actually pretty much stylize it a lot and still be able to read it. And here we have 10 piastres. This is silver. Can't remember the quality. But this one is 1929. On the back, 10 piastres with 2 cornucopias. Then we have some later coins. So we have a 1 piastre from 1955 with a hole in it. All these only have a few millions. So you're probably talking about $5 to $10 each. Here we have 1952. And this one is a 1955. I've got 2 of those with this lot. So 1955 with the Lebanese cedar. 1954 should I say. And aluminium. So this one is the Phoenician trimeme again. This one doesn't have anything. Probably should have put a line in the middle of that reef. Would look better. So aluminium were replaced again with aluminium bronze. So this is 1955. And on the back has a lion. So this is one of my favorite coins. This looks pretty similar to the Congo coin issued in 1960 with the lion on it. Then we have 3 10 piastres. So 1961. So they did issue a 1951 aluminium coin. So, but here we have, what the date is that one? Yeah, 2 coins dated 1955. So the date here is in Arabic and here is in Arabic lettering as well. Ooh, that's a bit confusing. Both have Phoenician trimemes. This one seems to be a lot better designed. And they just like the Phoenician heritage. Not surprised. On this side we have a, upside down. Dropped it. Let's have a look again. 2 Lebanese cedars. So this one seems to be the better designed coin, but they were issued pretty much at the same time and circulated concurrently. And then we have the 1961, which is the same as this coin, just in copper nickel. So that is the 10. Oh no, just like Lebanese coins are very nice. Then we have the 25 piastres, 1952, and we also have 50 piastres. So this is a silver coin. This one probably costs about $20 or $30. This one about $5. And we're going